everybody. It's Mike Meyers, your favorite Alpha Geek, and I am here celebrating my 30th birthday.
Actually, it's my 30th birthday. Born in 1995.
You had to bring that up, didn't you?
Cameraman, change the title to Celebrating Gabe's 30th birthday.
You know, before we do that, we might want to consider one more thing, Gabe. I mean, you know, I know you're the CEO and everything, but Mike, could we just have a little celebrating Total Seminars 30th birthday?
Cameraman, change the title to Celebrating Total Seminars 30th birthday. Why is that important, Mike?
Well, I mean, for the last 30 years, we've been developing all kinds of amazing products, been writing books, we've been shooting videos, we've been doing practice exams for CompTIA stuff, so I think we've done a great job over the last 30 years.
Well, what about live online training?
Dude, we've been doing live training, literally since before you were born.
Well, then, why don't we bring it back?
I think I like that idea.
Cameraman, change the title to Celebrating Live Online Training.
The idea here is to get you into the mindset of how you actually do incident response. That's actually...
So, what courses are available?
Well, aren't you the IT expert?
Yeah, but I think with the amount of IT knowledge that's out there, we gotta go way past CompTIA training now, Gabe.
So you're saying go out and find more mics that know their area of subject matter expertise so well and can teach it so that we can cover everything that techs need for today?
That's exactly what I'm talking about. We need to find the real SMEs out there and make something amazing. With experts like Lyndon, Haroon, and Richard, we're already helping thousands of techs succeed, and we're just getting started. So, whether you're an SME expert like me,
Or an IT professional looking to upskill your career,
Total Seminars has you totally covered.
totally.
Well, Gabe, it looks like we've got quite a bit to celebrate.
Sure seems that way, Mike. And it seems like this party is just getting started.
This is good, Gabe.